Yeah, apart from using the VBI GUI module in the business tools, we can also use another menu in the business tools to perform the DCF and other risk analysis. Now let us look at that particular menu, DCF and risk analysis. Yeah, you can see this. Now you see in this particular one, you can see here you have DCF analysis, project risk analysis, and the estimated credit loss analysis. Now these are all based on Excel file format .xlsx. That is the later version. This analysis, the analysis to be performed here are not based on the Excel 97 2000 version as with the VB GUI modules. So now we are going to demonstrate how to use these ones and see the difference. Now, first of all, let us do a DCF analysis. Yeah, we are going to do a DCF analysis based on something we have already, that's data we have already saved. This is meant to be a flawless one. Now let's see. We click the DCF analysis, we wait for the form. We wait for the form. Yeah, the form has just arrived. Now, you can see the form in this one is listing the file contents of that particular dataset file. Now, all we have to do here is just to select the project that we want to analyze. We can select all, and then we now put the discount rate, then the project duration, and then we put a confirm selection. But before we do that, let us look at how these data are arranged inside the Excel file. Now let us go to that. Yeah, this is the Excel file. You can see. You see the year. You see the project, wares, food, drinks, estate, paints. These are the projects. Now you can see the year 0 as it is has the initial outlays for all of them. You can see it. For wares, the initial outlay is 1.2. For food, the initial outlay is 1.5. For drink, the initial outlay is 2 million. For estate, the initial outlay is 1.1. And then for paints, the initial outlay is 1.12. Now, the duration, or rather, the data was extended to up to up to 2039, which means it is I think 20 years or 21 years duration. I think it's 20 years. 20 years duration. Now this one has something that the VBI did not have. Now, scrap value. Now with this one, now there's no scrap value here, but if there's anyone that we have a scrap value, we put the scrap value there. Now let us assume that number 1 and number project 1 and project 5, that's wares and paints, they have scrap value. Now let us put the scrap value. The scrap value here, let's say for project paint is 10,000. Then for project paint here is 5,000. Then for project, whereas that we did before is 10,000. Okay, so of course, once you do something of this nature, you have to go and save it. So we save it. Of course, we save it, and then so we have seen how the whole thing is. Please, it is important for you to know how data should be arranged. You can see the year, and then the years, and then each of the projects, and the cash outflow and cash inflow. Cash outflow is the second row. The names of the project is on the first row. The cash outflow is on the second row, and then the cash inflow started from the third row down. So that is how the interior, that is the how the file is supposed to be arranged and saved. And this time around, like I said, it is saved in Excel later format, not in Excel 97 2003 format. So now let's go back to the form. This is the form. Now let us now choose the one that we want to do the analysis. Let's choose all of them. We choose all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 projects here: wares, food, drinks, estate, and paints. Now, what you also have to understand here is that this particular analysis have a special name where that it saves its files with. The special name that saves its files with, I think that is simply just other DCF data, but I'll show you that later. And then once you click on this, it will just go and open it. It won't ask you for the name because already the name is saved there. That is the default. So now, having done this, we now look at the discount rate. Let's apply, let's see, 10% discount rate. Okay, it's 10% too low. Okay, let's see, let's say 15% discount rate. And then the project duration, like we have mentioned, there is a 20. Now let's see at with 15% discount rate, which of the project will be viable. Now we say confirm selections. We have confirmed the selection, and we believe that by now it should have run. So let us minimize this, and then go back to minimize this one also. Okay, that's it. Of course, it has run. It has run. So now let's see. That's it. So the first one, the initial outflow is this, initial inflow is this, the average investment is this, ARR is this, total cash flow is this, and then that's how it's doing it. And then it now comes to the individual projects. What you did earlier was the total, that is the aggregate. Now what is now doing is the individual project is for wares. Wares has a negative NPV because it is a this thing, but has a payback period of That is undiscounted payback period of 2 years. The profitability index of minus 0.9. Average internal rate of return is 47.05. Then project food is almost the same trend, and then project drinks almost the same trend, and then you have the other ones. Now that is about that. Now let's see if we can do another one. Let's use say 10% this time around and see what will happen. Okay, we choose all the project as before. Choose all the project. Then we use the discount rate of 10%, and then the project duration is still 20 years. And then we now confirm selection. Yeah, just immediately you confirm the selection, it will show you the this thing. So it's still showing a MPV. Okay. I think I believe that the MPV is showing is the minus sign shows that maybe it is positive, because most of all these are supposed to be positive by now. Yeah, I think so. So, and of course, you cannot have a low payback period when you have negative MPV. So, well, this is just for this. Now,